How you are doing? Everyone fine? So friends, today we are going to learn God Watches Us. It's for class 2, chapter number 1. Remember. So friends, we also have a surprise for you at the end of the video. Yes. So let's study. So friends, I will say first one line, one paragraph, and then he will repeat me. And when he repeat me, you also have to repeat. Okay? So let's start. We'll read line by line. So let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a poor farmer named Fico.
Once upon a time, there lived
a
poor farmer named Bhiku.
He had a 7-year-old son whose name was Shibu.
He had a 7-year-old son
whose name
was Shibu.
Bhiku was an honest man.
Bhiku was an honest man.
He used to tell Shibu many stories about God.
He used to tell Shibu many stories
about God. One day he narrated a story and said, Shibu, my son, remember one thing, God is everywhere.
One day he narrated a story and remember one thing, God is everywhere.
He looked around in surprise and said, But father, where is he? I can't see him anywhere.
Shibu looked around in surprise and said, But father, where is he? I cannot see him anywhere.
Bhiku replied, Son, we cannot see him, but he can see and also hear us.
Bhiku replied, Son, we cannot see him, but he can see and also hear us.
Shibu kept his father's word in mind.
Shibu kept his father's words in mind.
After a few days, Bhiku died.
After a few days, Bhiku died.
Shibu was left all alone.
Shibu was left all alone.
So he went to live with his uncle.
So he went to live with his uncle
Prem.
रुको
इधर से बोलो इधर करूँगी तब Shibu started working in a rich man's house.
Shibu started working in rich man's house.
Was greedy and dishonest man.
Him was a greedy and dishonest man.
What he said, Shibu, you can steal valuable things from the house.
One day he said to Shibu, you can steal valuable things from the house
when nobody is around. Next day, Prem waited for Shibu to come home.
Next day, Prem waited for Shibu to come home.
When Shibu came home, Prem asked Shibu, "Have you stolen something?"
When Shibu came home, Prem asked Shibu, Have you, Shibu, stolen something? Shibu replied, No, somebody was watching me.
Next day, Prem waited for Shibu to come. Next day again, Shibu came without anything.
Next day, again, Shibu came without
Anything.
anything.
When his
uncle
inquired,
he
said the same thing. No, somebody was watching me.
when his uncle inquired, he said the same thing. No, somebody was watching me.
This continued for many days, and every day Shibu came home without anything and gave the same answer.
This continued for many days, and every day Shibu came home anything and gave the same answer.
One day, Prem got irritated and said, "Who watches you all the time?"
One day, Prem got irritated and said, Who watches you all the time?
At once, Shibu replied, "God."
At once, Shibu replied, God.
He always watches me, and I cannot hide anything from him.
He always watches me, and I cannot hide anything from him.
Hearing this from Shibu, Prem felt ashamed of himself.
G-A-R-I-N-G. Hearing this from Shibu, felt ashamed of himself. He
learned from the little boy.
learned from the little boy
And never asked him to steal anything.
never asked him to steal anything.
Moral of the story:
Moral of the story:
God is everywhere.
God is everywhere.
Friends, as you know, we had learned the chapter. Now we will do the exercise and the hard words in the next video. And the surprise is that we will also launch a video which we had played on a set of this chapter by dolls. So wait for it. And if you want to learn this chapter, then watch our video 1, 2, 3 or 5 times. Okay? And if you like this video and like the story, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share the video too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Friends, इस वीडियो को बार बार रिपीट करना तब जब तक आपको याद ना हो जाए,
ताकि आपको याद हो जाए माइंड में। जैसे इसमें पढ़ाया था माइंड।
जैसे इसने कहा था ना, इन वर्ड्स को अपने माइंड में वो हमेशा याद रखा, वैसे ही आपको भी ये स्टोरी अपने माइंड में हमेशा याद रखनी है, ठीक है? और इसका मोरल भी। बाय बाय।
कोई सी भी क्लास में जाओ, लेकिन ये पढ़ाएंगे स्टोरीज तो।